all from different neighborhoods of New York City. Where we grew up at was really rough. People don't even make it past 25.
I'm just going to go buy Oreos or something from the store, and there's just a shootout, or somebody's getting sliced across the face or something like that.
Wrong place, wrong time.
So we would put ourselves into the most safe environment, which was these dance centers. We would just spend all our time there. And then we would take all these moves we have and bring them to the train for money.
We started dancing on the subway full time.
It went from making a few dollars to actually us helping mom pay the bills.
Yeah.
The train was like a blessing. It literally saved our lives because we don't have to be back where we live. Bullets don't have names, nor do they have directions. They will hit anybody that's in the way. Like recently, I lost a friend.
He was a part of our team, and like he was walking with another friend, and a guy pulled up to him in a car, like, "Yo, you guys in the such and such gang?" He was like, "Nah." And then out of nowhere, the guy just started shooting at him, and so he got shot.
I wish I could have said goodbye, at least. It hurt me to see somebody so young, to die, and the way you learn to deal with it, you use it to wake up every morning, because they can't, so you gotta do what they wish they could do. When you dance and you feel free, like you create what your mind lets you create.
Everybody's been telling us, like, you guys need to go on America's Got Talent. You guys need to go on there, and now we're here.
Dream big, no dream is too big. Look where we are, AGT.
Now is your time. W.A.F.F.L.E Crew, show the world what you all about right now. Go right out there and make it happen. Make it happen, y'all.
You look amazing, you guys.
Thank you. I really appreciate that. Thank you.
Okay, right. Tell me first of all, please, the name.
We are the W.A.F.F.L.E Crew. We go by W.A.F.F.L.E for Life Entertainment, and we are a crew all the way from New York City to Bronx, New York.
Oh, love that name. So it's dance.
Yes, we're dancers.
We honestly want to spread the dance style, light feet that we do around the world because we're called like break dancers, and it's like a little offensive. So we just want to spread it worldwide, have everybody know what we're doing.
So how long have you known each other for?
We've known each other for about 10+ years. This is like a brotherhood right here, for real.
Tell me why this year AGT, what's the dream and what's the plan?
The dream right now, especially this year, is 2020. We should never waste any more time. We're from a city where there's no hope, there's no influence. We don't see the right things when we go back home, but we never gave up on our hopes and dreams. So we want to give the young people something positive to look into. It's about our culture, our city, our family back home that's watching right now. And we understand that there's like $1 million at stake right now. We already invest in our community with just as little as our pocket money. So $1 million right now, we will really, really put on for our city.
Good for you.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Let's hope 2020 is your year.
We can't let no one down.
You look ready for this. I've got a good feeling.
I just want to ask, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yes.
Let's do it.
We've seen a lot of dance acts on this show. I wouldn't say they're my favorite category because I've seen a lot of repetition over the years. But I think something about your energy from the second you came on and your determination is everything. This was, I think, my favorite audition so far. And I also understand how important this is to you. I want to give you a little head start here. That was fantastic. That's an audition I will never, ever forget.
Simon, what made you push this golden buzzer for these amazing young men?
Talent, determination, and everything I have been waiting for on this show, and they've delivered it. So happy for you.
Thank you so much. My life,
No, you changed my life.
Give it up one more time for W.A.F.F.L.E Crew!
That was special.
Simon gave us the golden buzzer. Oh my. This is real. This is unreal, baby. This is unreal.